Hi everyone, welcome to ABCD of Drawing. This is a beginner's level drawing tutorial, and in this series I'm going to teach you how to draw flowers in very simple step-by-step method. So far we have learned how to draw A for anemones, B for buttercups, C for calla lilies, D for daffodils, E for euphorbias, and today we are going to learn how to draw fuschias. First we will draw our basic structure with a pencil, and then we will draw our final flower with a pen. Let's start. First we will draw an inverted bowl, and now we are going to draw an inverted saucer right on top of it. Now we will draw some straight lines emerging from the center. Now draw two small circles on the top. Now let's take our pen. First we will draw some thin leaves inside our saucer. These are called sepals. Now we will draw two smaller sepals. Since these sepals are at the back of the flower, they will appear a little smaller. Now we will draw two tiny circles on top. Now we will draw some petals inside our bowl. These petals are quite broad at the tips, so make sure you don't make them too pointy or too oval. Now we will draw some broken curvy lines inside our petals. Remember the straight lines we drew in the beginning from the center of our saucer? Now we will draw two lines just side by side and a circle at the end, just like I'm doing here. And our flower is complete. We can draw this flower in a slightly different way also. So first we will draw a bowl, just like we did in our first case. Now we will draw a saucer on top of it and follow the same steps as we did before. Drawing the buds of fuschias is very easy. First draw a circle and then draw three thin sepals side by side. Now draw the leftover part of the circle that is still visible. And our bud is complete. Now let's incorporate what we have just learnt into a drawing. Do you know fuschias are also called ladies' eardrops? I have this half drawn portrait and I'm going to draw these fuschias as the earrings of this lady. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.